So during the course during the course and during the job placement time, and even after getting a job, the communication, the portal of communication that you need to establish with me or with MediPharm Solutions is through emails. I know some of you, have the number, or you have WhatsApp, and some of you are pinging me on Facebook, even though we are not friends on Facebook. So my point is, make sure you kind of email students at MediPharm Solutions and say, this is the question I have. And if you see her signature, like Shravanti's signature, students at MediPharm Solutions signature, that email signature has everything that you need for communication. If it is payment related, there is a person who is dedicated for it. Receivables at MediPharm Solutions. If it is related to classes, if it is related to access, if it is related to Argus, there is students at MediPharm Solutions, and Shravanti and Akila, they are handling it. If it is related to Argus alone, take a screenshot. Texol is our service provider from Oracle Health Sciences, and they will handle it. And if it is anything to do with job placement, there is a email called marketing at MediPharm. I mean, sorry, not marketing right now. Job placements at MediPharmSolutions.com. So they will handle all your resume and whatever needs to be done with your resume, consulting aspect of it, they will do it. So just to look at the students at MediPharm Solutions signature and do it. Now, my number comes to me once a week. Some of you are not aware of it. I get this number that you guys are calling or texting once a week because we have to rotate the responsibility. So it comes once a week. So if you just text to me, I may not be able to respond right away because I only see it once a week. So make sure you go to students at MediPharm Solutions and just ask, okay, this is my question. How can I get it resolved? Now, if you do that, don't do any other platforms. It's useless. No one is going to respond to it. You get frustrated. Those are the communications. Use the emails in the signature and make your life easier. So those are the things I wanted to talk about communications.